Now show how to install and use the laser control software, RDWorks V8. First, connect the USB cable from the machine to the computer. Turn on the machine. Insert the U-disk drive or CD that comes with the machine into your computer. Software installation packages and machine configuration parameters are stored on U-disk and CD. Open the USB flash drive. You will find an installation package and two parameter backups. If there is no installation package, you can go to the official website to download the control software.
RDWorks V8 最新版本。下载完成之后就可以安装。然后copy它到桌面。
Unzip the installation package to the desktop. Determine the USB and machine connection of the machine. First install the USB driver.
安装完成之后，选择机器的工作原点，就是说是机械原点。普通的1390一般都在右上。
Then select the mechanical origin position of the machine. Installation control software.
软件之内设置，然后点击安装。完成。然后会安装这个。
Click on the exit.
安装完成之后，打开。
Open the RDWorks V8.
打开软件之后，首先
After opening the software, first select User. Read the parameters inside the machine.
这时需要USB 和机器是直接连通的读取。如果说这里是完全读取的，说明 机器和电脑连接完成。然后
Then open vendor setting.
参数设置，密码是
The password is RD8888.
4个8，然后也需要读取一下。
The same. Read the parameters inside the machine. So all the parameters inside the machine are automatically entered into your software. System setup. You can choose the position of the machine origin and the working origin. If you feel the parameters are abnormal or if the machine is moving, the parameters backed up by the factory can be written to the machine. First click Read. Then open the parameters on the U disk or CD. Click Write again. The correct parameters will be written to your machine. Vendor setting is the same step.
Worker 里边，然后随便画上一个方框，尺寸随意100吧，100的框，然后是居中设置它的参数，比如说这是切割参数。
Then the carving or cutting can be measured. Draw a square or circle and set the speed and power. Click Download and transfer the data to the machine. Move the laser head to the desired engraving position.
Origin 原点。移动机器。
Press the origin key. Locate where work begins.
定位，然后选择文件。
Open the file. Find the file name you just transferred. Confirm to enter.
确定，然后就可以按开始。开始。可以暂停、退出、打开激光器。选择文件之后，然后你可以按。
You can click Frame to check the scope of work.
寻找它的工作指控是否在，然后按着启动。
Then click Start. Start to work.
进行工作。或者是 切割一个，切出。
Now test the cutting.
小的，选择尺寸，比如说切割30毫米和20毫米的一个方。
Set the cutting size. Adjust cutting speed and laser power.
速度和切割，然后这个点击 OK。
Download to the machine.
下载到机器。下载到机器之后，首先是找到正确的焦距，亚克力，然后是焦距棒。
Adjust the distance between the laser nozzle and the material. The focal length.
位置，移动到要切割的点，口岸，
Set the working origin position.
然后点文件，选择确定，
Select the file to transfer and start cutting.
点启动。 然后移动。